Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from CES in Las Vegas, Nevada, and joining me for the segment, we have Walt Hearn, Senior Vice President of Worldwide Sales and Customer Excellence at Ansys. We're here to discuss how SDVs are really behind the shift in auto tech and next-gen innovation. It is great to see you as always, Walt. Welcome back.
Great to see you.
And it's so interesting, I feel like all the conversations are revolving around auto tech this year. Tell us about Ansys. What are you showcasing at CES in 2025?
Yeah, look, we're excited to be here. One of the big themes at CES this year is really AI in automotive, and so we're really here showcasing how we can leverage AI as part of developing next generation automotive technology.
Is that the general trend that you're seeing? I mean, AI, of course, in what was the EV hall, now electronification is everything where we're sitting across multiple sectors. Is that a trend that you're seeing in general? Yeah,
it's one of the big trends, and so you see NVIDIA here talking a lot about AI, and so we're excited to be partnering with NVIDIA, and so NVIDIA is bringing new technology to market called the Omniverse. And what we're doing is we're being able to plug in simulation technologies to Omniverse so our customers can digitally design next generation automobile technology in a virtual environment.
Oh, it's interesting. So it's like Gen AI for engineers in a weird way. Yeah. Tell us about the shift to SDVs. On a high level, what is that? What is that shift? Why is it such a big part of the next gen of auto tech?
Yeah, look, we think it's a big opportunity in auto tech because when we're looking at the overall market, we're really focused on going from chips all the way to systems, and so we're working with companies like NXP to simulate and design next generation chips. Today, there's over 200 billion transistors in a chip, and so we're enabling them to simulate how all those transistors works. And then NXP is taking that chip and they're putting it in a Continental radar, and so Continental's designing and inputting the radar with Ansys simulation technology, and then Conti's taking it and put it on platform with BMW to design an autonomous vehicle. And so we're working on the entire ecosystem by bringing all of the technologies together.
So that's the benefit, moving from all of these chips to a system, almost like an, I guess not like an app, but all in one place.
Yeah, it's about bringing all of the technologies together. And then when you think about these automobile programs, it used to take 60 months to design a car,
right? And
now they're having to design these more complex cars that are EV, autonomous in 24 months. And so by bringing the whole ecosystem together, we're enabling companies to drive down the cost and drive up the innovation and get these cars to market in a shorter period of time.
So when you think about it from the perspective of the consumer, what are the benefits there? What do you see next for Ansys and the auto tech general, landscape in general? Going from 60 months to 24 months is a huge leap.
Yeah, so what we're seeing in that is you're getting cars with safer features,
right?
And the active and passive safety is really improving, which is making the cars safer for the consumer. And by doing all of that in digital technology and simulating it, you can test all of these different variations in a virtual environment, and so that's helping bring safer cars to market.
What's an example of a better safety feature, if you will?
Yeah, I mean, just think about it. Not too long ago, cars didn't have backup cameras, right? And now backup cameras are mandated across all of the automobiles. And so you're going from mandated cameras on the whole platform to adaptive cruise control, to lane keeping, to driver assist. And so you're seeing all of these features come to the car, which are making it safer for the consumer.
Yeah, I wish 30 years ago the parallel parking feature was available for our driving tests. It certainly is something that is noticeable with all the different cameras and so forth. Yeah. All right, well, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me from CES. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.